Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can install WordPress locally on your Windows. So for it, first of all you need to have XAMPP installed. So here you can see the XAMPP control panel. So just open XAMPP, then start the Apache and MySQL. After that, just go to any browser. Then you need to search for WordPress.org. So this is the WordPress official page. Right now, just click here, get WordPress, and here you can see it will take us to this page, and I'll also give this link in the description. So after coming here, you need to click on this button, WordPress download. Download WordPress, just click on it, and it will start downloading a zip file. And there you can see the download is complete. So after the download is complete, just go to the zip file location. And this is the zip file we just downloaded. So we are going to cut this from here. So just right click and cut it from here. And after cutting this, we need to go to where we have downloaded our XAMPP. So we'll go to localhost C. Then we'll go inside the XAMPP folder. Inside XAMPP folder, here you can see HTTPS. So we are going to paste it over here, Control V. And there you can see this is the zip file. So we need to extract this. So I'll just right click, then click on extract all. And I am going to remove this folder name from here. So we need to directly extract it in the C XAMPP HTTPS. So right now click on extract. And there you can see the extract is complete. So this is the WordPress folder. If you go inside, you will see some WordPress folder and files. So right now we're going to rename this folder. So I'll just right click and click on this rename button. Let's say the name will be my_WordPress. So we have this my_WordPress folder over here, and inside it we have some WordPress file. So after renaming this folder, we need to create a database. So make sure that your XAMPP is running Apache and MySQL. After that, send your XAMPP. Then we need to go to our cpanel. So here in the cpanel, we're going to create a database called my_WordPress. So let's say here my_WordPress. Then click on creator. So here you can see it created a database. So right now, what we are going to do is that we're going to say here on to 7.0.0.0 on, or you can also say here localhost. Then we need to give a slash here. After giving the slash, you need to mention the folder name, which is my_WordPress. So I'm going to say here my_WordPress, then press enter. And then it will ask us to choose the language. So we'll keep English, then click on continue. Then click on let's go. So here you need to give the database name, and we created a database called my_WordPress, right? So I'm just going to copy this and paste it here. The username will be root and password will be listen now. And right now click on submit. Then click on run the installation. So here we are going to need to give a site name. Let's say our site name will be my_website. Then let's say username will be root, and we're going to give a password 1234. It is weird, but that's fine. And we need to give an email address. Let's say yaminshakil7@gmail.com. And we keep it how it is. After that, click on install WordPress. And there you can see it is showing us username root, and it is also showing us password. So right now we need to click on this login button. Then here we are going to say root, then password will be 1234. Click on login. And there you can see it will take us to this page. And here, this is the WordPress dashboard. So we are able to successfully install WordPress on our Windows. I hope this news is useful. If you have any question or suggestion, just let me know in the comment section. Make sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the future tutorial.